bad bitches when they made you. Red bone, slim, thick shit, she only 22. No, she do for a little workout, pull up on the Lululemon. Got a 10, I let her lay out.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kiana, more of Key, period. And today is going to be a maintenance day. It has been so long since I've been on YouTube, but honestly I was just dealing with a lot in my life. Like, I was just unhappy with how I looked, everything. So I've been hitting the gym. I'm down 15 pounds now, and I still have 30 more pounds to go. But my life was just in shambles, like school, just everything, okay, everything. So it made no sense to be recording, because how am I going to be recording when I'm not doing nothing to record? Like, I'm literally rotting all day 24/7. But that ends now. It is homecoming week. My girl is coming back, so I'm gonna get drunk this week. I'm excited. Today's Tuesday? Yeah, so tomorrow is the G Herbo, Sexy Red, and Lola Brooke concert. I don't listen to G Herbo. I used to be a crazy Sexy Red fan, and I fuck with Lola Brooke. I'm from Brooklyn, if y'all didn't know, so you know, I mess with her. Like, I like her song with Bryson Tiller. That's my shit. I'm a badass Brooklyn brown skin bitch. Yeah, she ate that. But I'm just going for the vibes, because we haven't had a concert in 2 years because I think we were broke. So now we're having a concert, and it's time for us to, you know, baddie, look like a fucking baddie. I look nasty right now. I look bad. I look terrible. So what we are going to do is, I'm a DIY girly. I don't know why it keeps unfocusing, but I'm a DIY girly through and through. Like, I used to be heavy on going to people to get my stuff done, but I just had so much negative experiences that I just, like, you know, was like, ah, fuck. Okay, it's okay. That didn't hurt as much as the scene. Yeah, so I'm just like such a DIY girly, because I had such negative experiences with people, and I just learned how to do everything myself. So I'm gonna get my nails done today if I have time to go. But what I'm gonna do right now is dye my bundles, and then I'm gonna wash them and let them air dry while I go to the gym. And I might, because the gym is next to the mall. The mall is where I do my nails. I might go to the gym. Like, I might go after the gym to get my nails done. But I don't know how I feel about recording, guys. Like, I'm still trying to get into the comfortability of just like recording and pulling out my camera anywhere and just like holding it up. Like, let me take a picture of my setup. Like, I got this cute setup. You see what I'm saying? But it's just like, I don't know how I feel about holding all this stuff in public. I have my tripod. That's always been my biggest issue, is, but I need to not give a fuck what nobody say, because they don't know me. Like, I'll never see you again. So we're gonna decide whether or not I'm gonna do my nails in a little bit, but as of right now, I'm gonna dye one bundle of the hair. So these are my raw bundles for my hairline, the House of Tresses. I have worn them twice already. This is gonna be my third time wearing them, so I'm thinking of, like, you know, cutting them up a little bit and dyeing a little bit of tracks in it to have like some blonde, like brownish, you know what I'm saying, like brown in the hair. So I'm gonna be doing the middle part quickly today, and I'm also gonna do my lashes by myself, because I do my own clusters, because I always hated like sitting down and letting someone else do my lashes. It just stressed me out really badly. And once clusters became a thing, I mean, I haven't got my lashes done in 2 years, okay? Especially because, like, what really turned me off was the girl, like, she sent me the wrong address, and when I showed up to the wrong address, she was like, oh, well, it's gonna take you too long to get here, so I have to cancel your appointment. Bitch, what? So that just ruined my entire, like, that service providers just turned me off. And I'm a service provider, but that turned me off. So we are going to dye one bundle and then wash the rest of the bundles. But my hair is all cut up because this girl I went to for my birthday cut the fuck out of my raw bundles first time, cut it up crazy for a flip over, which was not necessary. So I'm gonna have to like piece scraps together. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all the bundles, I'm gonna show y'all what we're working with, and we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure it out. This is the hair. So I'm about to just try to separate it to see like what I do have. So I can start dyeing it. Oh, this shit is rough. That's another thing. I said I was gonna start taking care of my hair, but I literally had this balled up under my cabinet. I'm definitely not gonna do a lot of pieces. Dang, should I wash it first or should I dye it and then wash it? I'm gonna dye it and then wash it. Alright, y'all. This is some of the bundles. These are the ones I'm gonna keep black. I'm gonna wash this and let this dry. And then these right here, these pieces that are all cut up, I'm gonna dye blonde. I still got a couple more pieces. Y'all, when I tell you, she literally cut up like a full bundle for a sewing. Like, look at these pieces. And mind you, I took it out because she did it so tight that my sky started to get a bald spot where she braided. So I had to take it out like 2 days later, and then I had to go to someone else to get it installed, and she didn't use any of the small pieces, so my sewing was like super duper thin. So all these little pieces right here that she cut up, I'm gonna use this as well. Y'all, my hair, I don't want y'all to think this is the quality of my hair, because my hair is super good. It's been sitting in a bucket since August, y'all know, and it's raw hair. So people think just because it's raw it's not supposed to tangle. Raw hair is real hair. It's going to tangle. You need to take care of it. I did not take care of it. Now I'm dealing with the consequences. So yeah, probably use, I think I have some more extra pieces in my car, but I think this is enough to like dye a color. I hope it's enough. I'm gonna just wait till the middle and the top. So I'm gonna wash this right here, and then I'm gonna put that to dry, and I'm gonna dye this. Okay, I'm not gonna show y'all me washing this because it's literally just 1, 2, 3, but I'm gonna show you guys when I dye the hair.
Think we should do something crazy.
I say fuck everyone. Just run away from the daily routine. Yeah, you know what I mean. Telling everybody online that I'm single, and I'm really hoping.
So I'm back home. My camera died at the nail salon, so this is how they came out. Super cute, very girl la la. Yeah, so I'm gonna do my lashes now. I already laid my cap for the quick weave. You guys can see it's laid to the gods, and I'm going to do my lashes while I'm still letting it dry, because it's, yes, it's dry, but it's not like, it could be drier, you know what I mean? Like, it's still damp, so I do want it to dry more. So I'm gonna start my lashes. I got this new lash kit. Alright, I was trying to find my other lashes because I did just have a pair from a different company, but I think I left those at home. So I have these. I don't know what brand. But yeah. But the ones that I ordered last time, it actually didn't come with bond or tweezers, which stressed me out because I was home for the week and I didn't have bond or tweezers. Well, thank God my mom went to Lash Clusters, so she had one thing of bond left. But yeah, if I didn't put her onto Lash Clusters, I would have been out of luck, because I was doing a photo shoot too for my hair brand. So I don't really follow a specific math. I just go based off of what I feel like looks best. My lashes are done. This is how they look. I'm actually super freaking annoyed because I feel like they sent me a lash bond that wasn't as, like, I feel like the lash bond quality has went down the drain since clusters have first like got popping and stuff. So I'm definitely gonna have to order a different glue because this took forever to do. And then on top of that, they sent me the wrong type of bottoms, and I didn't realize until I already did this entire eye. And I'm not about to do bottoms and you can't see them. Like, these little skinny ones are cool when you also have these in like lengths 5. You know what I'm saying? To mix and match. But all skinnies you could literally not see in the camera, and I just took off the entire eye. So this is what we're working with for this week. It literally just feels like they're about to come off. Like, look, what the fuck? Oh, I'm so annoying. Okay, my cap is completely laid. Laid. All around the back, everything. Okay. I let it dry for like maybe 2 hours. So now I'm just gonna start gluing the tracks. I'm honestly just gonna, like, I'm probably gonna do half and then record, and then, like, you know, because I don't have a lot of camera storage on this SIM card. I don't know why, but yeah, my lashes are still being weird. I'm just gonna put the bond on it, the seal, and hope that it dries like that, because it's like super sticky and like coming off. Like, this entire eye is like coming off, which I don't understand. was definitely scared I was gonna run out of hair, but I did not. I'm so happy that I didn't, because I didn't feel like having to wash extra bundles. Like, I do have the curly bundles that I added 2 tracks in here, but I didn't feel like having to wash it. So I'm about to just hot comb the top so it's flat, and then see all the leave out that I have. I'm not a middle part girly, I'm a side part girly, so I'm a little scared, but I think the brown is making me enjoy it more than I thought. So I'm gonna start flat ironing and stuff.
Take me through that, take me through that. Where we going, twin? Take me through that, take me through that. Where we going?
I think it's not straight enough. I think my hair isn't straight enough. Like, I think it's my flat iron though. My flat iron is weak as hell.
I'm taking a through that.
So I'm not surprised. I hope Danny brings her flat iron. I knew I should have brought the hair up just a little bit more in my face. Actually, no, this is good. It just needs to get a nice little tie down. Tie it down for like 5. I'm gonna tie it down for 5 minutes, and I'm gonna come back to show you guys the full, you know. Ooh, baddie shot o'clock. I should take a shot just because it's homecoming. My hair look good. Like, you see, it's just like still wavy right here. It's really my flat iron. This shit is weak as hell. Okay, guys, so I had my hair tied down for about 5 minutes. So now I like to take it off, and yes, this is the hair, okay? I always feel like your hair just needs to be tied down to give it the like best effect. You know what I mean? Like the best. Ooh. Ooh. I'm feeling myself. If I have my bottom lashes, it's okay. It's not that big of a deal. Okay. Yeah. As y'all can see, you see the color? It's not too heavy, which is exactly what I wanted. Yeah. I was saying, if you guys want a more detailed tutorial on how I do my hair, my quick weaves and stuff like that, just comment down below and I will do a video for that the next time I do my hair. But at the end of the video, because my camera is about to die and I already used all 3 of my batteries that I have today, running through them. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. All my socials will be down below. And yeah, I'm going to be posting more videos. This video will probably be out like Thursday. I have at least 3 videos that are going to go out in the next week, okay? Because it's homecoming, we are outside, hair is done, nails are done, lashes are done, okay? It does not take a lot to be a baddie, girl. Remember that. Every girl should know how to do their own hair in situations where you do not have money, okay? So I'm ready to go out this freaking week and have a ball, okay? So I will see you guys in the next video. Clock it, clock it, clock it.